In the previous video, we learned about slicing and indicing. So in this video, we're going to learn how to use the built-in Python string functions or string methods. So let's create a string like Python, and to perform or access the string functions, use the string and the dot operator. And as you use the dot operator, you can see there is a lot of string functions. So you can access these only if you have Code Intelligence open. You can just enable this if you have disabled it. So now let's use the capitalize function. So if we use the capitalize function and print the result, we have Python capitalize. As you can see, we entered the Python in the small case, but when we have applied the capitalize function, the P is capitalized. So if you want all of the letters to be in uppercase, you can use the upper method and run the program, and you can see that we get Python in uppercases. Likewise, you can access all the string functions using the dot operator, like title, swap case. If you for example, we can use any of the functions. So there are a lot of functions. If we use all of them, this is going to be a lot long tutorial. For now, you can just access all these methods from here. You can, if you want, you can just scroll through and check on them. So that's up to you. You can just use them the way you want. So that's it for the Python strings built-in methods. So now let's look at the built-in methods that cannot be accessed using the dot operator. So like we have a function called the length function in Python that returns the length of any string. So we will use the variable pass to the length function, and we will pass that to print length. So we get 6. So our Python string is 6 character long. You can see Python Python 6 characters. So this length function comes very handy when you want to know how much long is your Python string. Except those, there are also some built-in functions, like if we create a string like a and use the order function like the ord and pass the string, you can see we have a value called 65. The 65 is the Unicode value of a. So every string in Python or every letter has their own Unicode values, even the symbols like $, etc. So in this way, you can get the Unicode value of any character. You can also use the small letter a and see that they have different values. So let's use a random character and print the character using the character function that returns a string that has the Unicode value of the value passed. So if you pass a value like 81, and let's see which character has the value of 81. So Q has the Unicode value of 81. So if we plus 89, we get something else, we get Y. So in this way, we can get the order of any character or print the Unicode character with the value we have passed. So that's all for the strings. We have covered all the basics for strings and good to go to the another section, that is numbers in Python. Hope to see you there.